The majority of fire agencies outside of urban America do not have dedicated truck companies. Does this mean that they don't do truck company operations? Hopefully not. Truck company operations are essential to the coordinated fire attack. This workshop is designed to help you implement procedures and standard operating guidelines to solve this dilemma. It will start by prioritizing function and developing functional SOGs which will take into account your resources and to help you build what is essential on the fire ground for the coordinated fire attack. Hope to see you in Indianapolis in 2020, and even more humbled to possibly see you on April the 21st at 1:30.